Let's start by getting ourselves acquainted with the Excel interface. Just a quick reminder that this training is designed for anyone who would like to master Excel skills for today's workplace. We will be starting from the very basics, assuming no prior knowledge of Excel. Those of you who may have used Excel before and are familiar with its basic features may wish to skip the initial introductory topics. We will be using Excel 2016 during this training. This is currently the latest version of Excel, with some upgrades to the interface design. However, the functionality and features are very similar to those of previous versions of Excel. We expect this to remain the case in future versions as well, so rest assured that the skills learned in this course will continue to be relevant. Now, when you launch Excel 2016, the Excel Start screen box will appear. This screen allows you to choose what you want to do: create a new workbook, choose a workbook template, or access your recently edited workbooks. To create a new workbook, you have the option of starting with a blank Excel workbook or using a template. Templates are organized by category, and you can preview them within this start screen to choose the one that you want. To start with a blank workbook, just click on this option, and here you go. This is your new Excel workbook, which is a collection of blank worksheets, also known as spreadsheets. Now, before we learn how to enter data on a spreadsheet, we must know how to save our work. Excel files can be very precious and you might have put in hours of hard work, so make it a habit to save your work at frequent intervals. You can save your workbook in a few different ways. Click on File Save to save your workbook. You will also have the option to specify a new file name and the location you wish to save the file to. When you have saved your workbook or even renamed your file, you will see the latest file name displayed right at the top of your window. Now, there are also some shortcuts to save your work. You can click on the Save icon, or you can press Ctrl+S on your keyboard, which will save the Excel workbook you have open. Once you have saved your work, you can exit Excel safely. The next time you launch Excel, you will see your recent workbook appear in the Start screen. To open older files that aren't showing in your recent list, simply click on File, Open, and navigate to the folder your file is located in. You can also type the file name or a part of it in the search box to locate it quickly. Now that we know how to create, open, and save Excel files, let's dive right into Excel's features and learn how to use them.